Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put code in Ford Focus radio. Turn the ignition to accessory and power the radio on, then press and hold both seek buttons until the display shows 1000. Use the preset buttons to enter your 4-digit code, pressing the number buttons to match each digit. After entering, press the seek or tuning button to confirm, and the radio will unlock and function normally. Start by checking the glove box, owner manual, or radio card for the original code. Many Fords include a sticker with the 4-digit code. If you lack the paper code, note the radio serial number and contact a dealer, or use online services that require the serial. Keep the car VIN and proof of ownership ready, since providers and dealers often require verification before releasing a code. This avoids delays and repeated lockouts. Carefully enter the code using the preset buttons, pausing between digits to avoid mistakes. 5 incorrect attempts often trigger a timeout or permanent lock. If the radio displays lock or LOC, leave the ignition on and wait the specified timeout, then try again with the correct code. For persistent problems, consider dealer reprogramming or a professional technician who can safely remove and reset the unit without harming vehicle electronics. Always keep a written.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.